The more I stare at this scene, the more convinced I become that it's a Will Byers has powers reveal. Walk with me. So the way these two shots are sequenced in the teaser makes it look like Mike and Joyce are looking at each other. But this is a red herring because you can see the Melvald sign in both of them, which means that they're standing next to each other. Based on these two shots from the date announcement, we know what actually happens is that Will collapses in front of Joyce and then Mike runs over to them. So if Mike and Joyce are standing next to each other, that begs the question, what the hell is Mike looking at? We got a really quick shot of downtown Hawkins in the same teaser, and if you look in the bottom right corner, you can see Melvald, which places Mike, Will, Joyce, and the kids right here, and they're looking in this direction. What is in this direction? A gate. Specifically, this gate. And who do we see walk through something that looks like a gate? Vecna. I think Mike is looking at Vecna. Now here's where things get interesting. This is where powers tie in. Look at these two shots together. They look different, right? Because in the top one, half of Mike's face is red. It's almost like he's looking at fire. And if you pay really close attention, you'll see that Vecna's creating a ring through fire. He's drilling a hole through it. He's not creating it, which makes sense because the hive mind is allergic to fire, basically. Something else is creating that fire. And who do we know who's repeatedly associated with fire? Will Byers. Here we see him drawing himself fireballing a monster. His D&D character Will the Wise has fire on his cape. Stranger Things tweeted this very cryptic tweet of Will on a burning cake earlier this year, and season 1 ends with Will fireballing the Thessal Hydra. In conclusion, I think Will is fireballing Vecna here. In fact, if you look really carefully, you can see the Melvald sign in the top right corner of the Vecna scene, which means that he is facing Mike, Will, and Joyce in that moment. This could very well be the ending of season 5, episode 4, The Sorcerer being Will Byers. It's written by the same person who wrote Will the Wise, and it would be one hell of a cliffhanger because it's the final episode of Volume 1.